children that God can give them. There's nothing that we can do for them that God would not be able to take care of their lives. What we do this morning is we pray. And I'm asking you, church, to help us pray over these children this morning. Who are we going to? Which one? Which child are we going to? We've got several here this morning. We've got 3 that we're going to dedicate to the Lord. For families, we bring up, we call him Tommy. Thomas Alonzo Butler. Families would bring him up. And all of their family, if we want to come up, we'd ask you to come up and help us pray. All of their family. Related to Tommy. Probably would be half the church.